Hey, man, this ain't gonna be a troubleshooting video. It's gonna be a video explaining to you what certain parts are. All right. I just got a request from one of my viewers that said, can I please make a video explaining what every part is, because some people don't know it. So what I'm gonna do is explain to you what this is. These are the batteries. When somebody tells you main positive or main negative, the way you tell is, if you look at this battery here, it's connected to another battery. All right. This battery here is connected to another battery. Same over there. Well, if you look at it, this battery here is not connected nowhere. It's not tied to the next battery. So this is going to be your main positive. That's going to be your main negative. That's your key switch, of course, because you put the key in. Now, when somebody, depending on what year you have of Club Car, some have, this is a Precedent. This is probably a 12, 13, but this is, everything's under here. 3/8 socket. Take it up. This is your run and tow switch. That's for if the car breaks down, you have to put it in the tow position. But let me get a wrench to take off the battery wire so I can get that cover up. Now, all the newer style Club Cars don't have this cover here. God, ½ inch. Don't have that cover because the solenoid and computer and everything's in the back of it. So you won't have to take it out. But this style here, up to a 15, has controller and computer and the solenoid all in the middle. So let's take this battery wire off. Get this up here. Now, the newer carts, let me give me 1 second. Now, the newer carts have no computer in there, but the purpose of your computer, which is this right here, I say a rat trap because you look at the back of it, excuse me, the front of here, it look like a little rat trap bait or something. That's your computer. The purpose of that is to charge your golf cart and to run the golf cart. It gives a ground to the system. All right, so if the computer's bad, the cart won't charge or the cart won't run. This is your controller. It's got your main wiring harness going into it, your main positive. That's the brains of the operation. That's about like me, the brains of the operation. Nah, man, I'm nobody. Just trying to make a living, man, surviving. All right, then you got your solenoid here. This is your solenoid. You can see you got 2 big posts right here. This is your solenoid right here. 2 big posts, 2 small posts. All right. Let me see here. And this is this style here. All right. Computer, controller, and the solenoid is way down here. There's your solenoid right there. That's why it activates and sends voltage through. Now, if somebody tells you an M core, your M core is under the mat. You have to take out these on the side and them 2 on that side. See, 1 there, 1 there, and you get to that. That's your M core. Now I'm gonna go to a newer style here. Let me show you how to do this here. Let me see, one's now this is your newer style here. You got the same principle. Your M core's in the box, but you can't see it because it's sealed from the bottom. But under here, you have a cover, and you just push up. Let me zoom out, son. All right, you just push out. Don't be afraid to manhandle it. Let me get out of here. Don't be afraid to manhandle it, because not, you won't get it off sometimes. Same thing here. Controller. They're the solenoid, same principle. 2 big posts, 2 small posts with a wires plug in. Toe switch. If you look here, this one don't have no computer. They've done away with it. All right, because they've changed the charger to an Eric charger, so your charger does it. Now, some of the controllers, depending which controller it is, the controller is operated by the charger is operated by the controller. All right, so that's that. Put the cover back on. You just take it, push it in there. But what I always do first is take it, just push that back up. Take that clip, push it in there. Put that clip, push it in there, and then you have this. You're gonna take it, push it under, and pop it in. Like that. You can see it pop back in now. Now look here, this is your motor. Your motor is on the rear end. The purpose of the motor is to drive the car. What it does, you got your brushes are on this end cap of the motor. This is your fuel winding. This operates forward and reverse. You get voltage here and on the orange wire, and that changes direction. These two, one here and one there, get forward and reverse by flipping these. So these are your hot and ground that send voltage to the motor to operate the speed, to send power to it to turn it. These wires change direction. This is your rear end here. And you can see that's your steering box. This arm right here is your steering box. You see this big boot right here. That's your steering box. These are your hubs. This is considered a spindle. All right, same thing over here. Hub, spindle right here. That's your spindle. Put your tie rod in right here. This is your heim joint. This piece right here, that's your heim joint. Always make sure they're not straight. You want to turn your heim joints. You want to turn them down, angle them a little bit. If not, they'll break. But all right, I just done that on request for one of my viewers. Hope it works. Stay tuned, y'all.